Hi, I'm Jenny Duffany, and this is my partner, Maria Churchill. We live in St. John's, Newfoundland. We just had a renovation in our home. We added a basement apartment.
We chose Kent because of their great customer service.
Through Kent, we met Andy Hickey, the sales installation person that we dealt with. Just like family, honestly, he was incredible. I could text him or call him at any point in time. His service was outstanding, and we really loved the way he treated us like we were family, really.
They had a crew here every single day for the full 90 days, and we never felt like we were left on our own. If we had any concerns, they were addressed. They gave better suggestions than what we would have thought of, and overall their customer service was well above what we expected.
The quality of the work from Kent and the contractors that did our basement was unbelievable.
I love the fact that my parents have a safe place to spend the rest of their days. The doors are 36 inches, there's no issues with mobility, low incline shower, so that's also fantastic. Fully accessible kitchen, all the same flooring throughout. It just gives you a peace of mind that when your parents are at a certain age, you want them to be looked after, and Kent made that possible and safe.
Kent is the place to go for exceptional service and feeling like they're giving you what they would give themselves if they were doing their own home.